Wash with your hands.
Kakak jangan letak tangan dekat situ kakak.
Oh.
Nanti daddy buat.
That is hot in this one.
Adik this first.
It's good.
It's hot.
It's very, very cheesy. It's very, very cheesy. Mommy is very cheesy. And the whole floor is covered in cheese.
Nice.
Oh, finish that one in your mouth. Finish it. Eat.
What? You feeding Daddy? But you feeding Daddy? Daddy might feed you.
Salty.
Daddy might feed you, not Daddy.
Tu daddy feeding adik.
No, you cannot feed because Daddy
Raka, eat and stop talking.
Daddy's
Anytime
not
I tell you,
ready.
you don't eat when you don't talk when you're eating.
I want chicken too. I want chicken too, Mommy. Daddy, Daddy,
Jangan letak tangan dia tu.
Marisa,
Daddy.
mommy push her chair. Push her chair to the front.
I want drink too.
This one?
No, water.
And I want drink too. Another one. Yes. Yes.
Now she use 2 spoons. I don't know what's wrong with this girl.
Oh.
Wow.
Marisa, I said don't use your hand. I'm feeding you, right? You are a very naughty girl.
Sour. Mommy, so sour.
Not
This is
sour,
so
salty.
sour. It's so salty.
Very.
I need a little bit color. A little sweet.
Here's all our order.
Boleh.
Will you give me a spoon? This rice is way too small. Good.
Hot tak?
This is my mayonnaise. Never the mayonnaise in the shop.
Adik nak apa?
Don't put your hand in the middle.
Okay, finish. Dah.